What is up, guys? Jeremy here. I normally don't make out of the blue videos like this, but I figured I'd make this. Just got home from work, got a package at the front door. Super excited. Let's see if we can film and carry this at the same time. I cannot. Hold on one second. Well, move it. This guy, you're gonna step in my way and complain when you get stepped on. You too, move, Peanut. Alright, guys, package right here. Let's see what it is. Here we go. Dino Wax. Super excited. I just really wanted to make a quick video on this. I got some of their other stuff. This is actually my sponsorship package. So, really excited. My wife's on the way home. She had to go out and run some errands after work. So I'm going to go ahead and bust out this video real quick while I can before we settle down for the night. So I will be right back. Alright, first things first, guys. Oh my gosh, it is Miller time. Oh my god, I need this. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this box up. See what we have in here. And I'll be honest, I don't have my knife right now. I'll be honest, guys, I have no idea what is in this package.
What's in the box?
As you can see here, guys, I've got a bucket. Assuming there's probably stuff in it. So let's check that out real quick. Foam packing. Got a Dino Wax air freshener, looks like. I like this, guys. You can't really see it, but a big Dino Wax sticker, that's definitely going on the car. Some information about their products right here. Also another air freshener in there. Appreciate that, guys. Got a nice microfiber towel, or rag. That back in here. Now let's see the goodies. Now this is just, it looks like to me kind of like a little sample pack of their products. Let's zoom in on this. As you can see right here, guys, Dino Wax degreaser. This is a 4 fluid ounce bottle. So I actually like that they did this. I'm not even going to complain about size. This really gives me a chance to check out which product I like the most from them. And I know a lot of people complain about size, but that's actually really cool to me. Don't mind the cat, he's just kind of hanging out down there. So that's cool. So here we've got another 4 ounce bottle. Which I think all of these are, but this is some Dino Wax leather cleaner. Feels solid. I believe this is for the wheels. This is another cleaner. Glass Bright. This is cool. All-purpose glass and chrome cleaner. I do not have any chrome on my car, so this will definitely be used on the glass. And I know this is for the wheels for sure. This is the brightener. Actually really excited about using this. Oh yes, the big boy stuff. This is a quart. This this makes me really happy. And that stuff feels really, really solid. Wow, voted longest shine. So this is Dino Wax's tire dressing. If we can zoom in here, camera, please. It'll get there eventually. Or am I going to have to help it? Nope, there it goes. So this is the tire dressing from Dino Wax. Really, really super excited about this. I have not been able to find a good tire shine that I like. So kind of excited about that. In here, this is concentrated. This is really, really good. Obviously, yeah, 1 capful is enough for 5-gallon pail of soap. So you're getting 32 ounces, and this can last you a very, very long time. Definitely check out their prices on this stuff, guys, too. Really affordable. I just used their products recently on my wife's car and was super impressed with it. This is cool too. Got a Dyno-Wax magnet. I'm really, really liking the logo too. This is something that's, in my opinion, super badass. And there's a lot of things I won't put on my car, but this is definitely one that I would. Another sticker right here, Dyno-Wax. Another sticker right here. There's a little guy, Dyno-Wax. Any more stickers? Alright guys, so all in all, I am super, super excited about this sponsorship. Yeah, just from a couple of their products that I've already tried, it seems to be really, really good. And I like that because there's not really a whole lot of stuff out here as far as, you know, products for washing your car, detailing, all that. There is a spot that just opened up in Cary, but I don't know. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm looking at this, hold on. Children can fall into this bucket and drown. That would be my kid too. I don't have a kid, but when I do, that's totally my kid. He's gonna put his face in a wash bucket. That's my boy. But anyways, guys, I am super excited. I really am. This is awesome. Big shout out to Dyno-Wax. I really do want to recognize you guys for this. And the reason being is I haven't had a sponsor really send me out a sponsorship pack. A lot of sponsors, they want an arm and a leg. I understand as a business, you want the advertisement, and it really is good to sponsor people. It truly is. It's also good to be sponsored. Reason being, and I'll make a video on this, guys, if you do want to see it. Hey, Bubs. Reason being, a lot of sponsors, they'll post your stuff out on their page. Now, I am new to Dyno-Wax, so I don't know 100% if they're going to post, you know, anything I post up on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, if they're going to post that to their page or not. That I don't know, but a lot of sponsors will do that. You know, you use their product, you advertise for them, and they do return the favor by giving you a shout out here and there and sending you some free stuff, which is always good. And right off the bat, that's the first thing I like about Dyno-Wax. It's just, it's great. It's nice to have somebody send you something and they don't really ask you for much in return. The only thing they're asking me is, you know, obviously advertise the product, which I'm doing now. And I have no problem doing that, guys. I've been looking for a really good product for a while. I've been using a couple other products, and honestly, they have been good. They really have. They've been great. But I really wanted to try this out. I know a guy who's sponsored by them, Mojave KY, Brian, guys, check him out. He's the one who kind of put me on to Dyno-Wax, and I'm really excited. The response time was fast with them. They sent my sponsorship package out really quick, and I'm already super impressed. I really am. So if you guys want to see me when I get the Camaro back, make a video cleaning her up, getting her all nice and sparkly again, because I'm sure she needs a bath, let me know, which I plan on making that video anyways. But if that's something you guys are interested in seeing, obviously let me know. But I'm going to put all this stuff back into my nice little bucket here. As you can see, I really like this. I really do. Again, Dyno-Wax, everybody over there, all the guys and girls at Dyno-Wax, I really do appreciate you guys taking the time out and investing in me. I really do. I'm actually going to put this Dyno-Wax magnet on my refrigerator right now. This is cool. This is cool. It really is. I'm going to put it right here. Right next to the chicken. that said you heard. Anyways, guys, like I said, I was just gonna kind of make this a short video. I was super excited to get this package in, and it is finally here, and super happy. Really, guys, I appreciate it. If you want to get a discount on these products, or if you want to file for a sponsorship, you can definitely go through their website and do that, get sponsored. Or if you just want to get a discount,
the cooler's too heavy for me to bring in. Sorry, did I interrupt you?
Gotta go because Holly bought Arby's and everybody's all over it.
Yeah.
I always get nervous when Holly comes in on recording, so.
I'm ignoring you.
That is it for today. Like I said, super quick video. Link in the description where you can get these products 15% off, I think. Was it 15% off? Yeah, I think it's 15% off. Don't quote me on that, but use that link below and it should take you to their website where you can get a nice discount. So anyways, like, share, subscribe. See you guys next time.